uko yemfa say the academic field na and some ekoso ho omo sa academic field ya lecturers ni doctors ni professors yomo na omo most of the time omo are transforming some kind of politics kakra na we anything Professor Gyampo says here, he's requesting for an apology from Dr. George Domfeh. Ho say Omepanacho says then NSC. And it's a budget here you can who some you can area na panel omotena say on TV3 omo discussion on budget no. And some course. Now some course ne say Professor Gyampo and a debate to say ono de who said Dr. George Domfeh and somebody to just say and this intimate cancer who say Omona economy negina Omutimi nje omunje ma omo so omona aye and Professor Gyampo say there be okane sa na ono ankasa as a doctor of economy na na say economist no say ono onye ni ye because onti ase say obeka say NDC entimi enje emfa emma ho na mpo omuba ban mu enche ye bia bibiboni bia si aye NDC bibiboni bia si aye NDC bibi papa ba dia ye si aye MPP fo na ye to ho e na ama sisi aye hu bibi papa no enti we na ekoba aye mentem ho ase mentem ho ase we kana we aka Dr. George Domfeh kire say Professor Gyampo he or attacking personally enti ono so start say ya say some okeka wo ho no de na eni enya enti first of all yenko hwe enkomo adi nka akọ na we eka we eba ko hwe sa video no but first of all yen hwe we every George Domfeh or say Gyampo got up from his seat and attempted to hit me. TV3 should be bold enough to show that part. Shame. There's so just say videos any speculations about Bontene just say ono and ofum ye I mean okay because he was seen walking out of the set. Na nsema okay can say na enje da mfa kwemu kakra enti sesi nsem ne baaye no omu nyina say omu bugu Dr. George Domfeh so enti baaye no so kire say there's a part of the video Doctor and as a Professor Gyampo story sen ko beto ne inside about Dr. George Domfeh na no sa video ne de say e ma abonten enti TV3 should do justice and make sure that particular video no omo ede ababonten na after said Dr. George Domfeh sorry ye ne nsem o keka ye no editi a Professor Gyampo say or demand apology from Dr. George Domfeh enti eno ehun release no de aba away screen no say way every Darko Kelly Delta and Company. So this is November 16th, 2025. It has been addressed to Dr. George Domfeh, Accra. I see, dear sir, publication of defamatory statements and demand for retraction and apology. Into demand for retraction any apology at the free Dr. George Domfeh. Into yanko na yemfa emu ensem no entwaso na yemfa emremu yenkan emfa emamo ewo ehonom enti o say we act as solicitors for Ransford Gyampo we na lawyer for Ransford Gyampo na lawyer for enedi ababetudwa omo demanded for this retraction and apology. Also, we act as solicitors for Ransford Gyampo, Professor of Political Science at the University of Ghana and Acting Chief Executive Officer of the Ghana Shippers Authority, our client. We have instructions to write to you on the matter referenced above as follows. And they have been instructed to, write to Dr. George Domfeh on the following issues. Into point 1. Also, we have been instructed that you were both invited guests on the popular TV3 current affairs program, The Key Point, on Saturday, November 15th, 2025. Not just say yes. First of all, you were a guest at The Key Point, so TV3. And you know some and a ebobo and say who first point in say they are referencing you to a show now. Our further instructions are that while on the said program with other panelists, your policy and intellectual disagreements with our clients became acerbic, insulting, and downright defamatory. There's some Dr. George Domfeh some more kind, na insulting, defamating, sounds like acerbic ewo honom. You claimed in a statement widely published on the popular national media platform that our client is a professor who sleeps with underage girls. The statement was widely understood by many right-thinking members of the viewing public to mean that our client is a pedophile. On set, before Dr. George Domfeh, every set so akono na o kan sembi se sebi said you no kan no ye be kwa no yakwa akotie aba na emom letter HRS omu demand apology from Dr. George Domfeh no eho ensem no de aba no se ne nsem bi kire se Sabi Professor Gyampo one enkra sebi na edida HRS ase ono no o ya winga enti sansem no o kan no omu demand say omra Dr. George Domfeh omra no omepa achew ewo honum. Also, this statement is not only reckless, it is patently false, malicious, and presents a public image of our clients as hideously immoral and irresponsible. You did not have any basis in fact or in law to make the statement attributed to you, nor to believe in it. Given the platform on which the publication was made, there is no doubt about the extensive damage that is profoundly defamatory statement has done to the reputation of our clients, a respected academic and a national thought leader. Anti or chere baby akwa kan sem no e chere se akwa achiri amanfo dodo dan so ate, which is damaging omo clients no Professor Gyampo say ni din ewo abonten so. I say we are directed to request you to retract the said offensive statement and then apologize in its way and someone Professor Gyampo the lawyers na lawyer for atre edi akwakoma Dr. George Domfeh se omra no me pacho Dr. George Domfeh ono so ne part ne say edru point bi anka Professor Gyampo sorry yanko be bonasum anaso oba be to ne nsa edi abono enti omfa eho no so mra eno na ono kire say she na bufuo e ma na keka sansem enti yanko ne yanko hwe time Dr. George Domfeh when he was walking out of the set or free sets and so akone nsem a okeka ya enu nti awanti ama Professor Gyampo lawyers actually edi akoma Dr. Judge yes enti before a year and some way nyina beba no said the media can do dwa no Professor Gyampo edi nsem to dwa na o kire say I mean NDC for said the media kan no o so mo agi bibia fa because untimi nkire say bone badia NDC papa badia MPP enti nsem a Dr. George Domfeh din kan de to dwa say MPP NDC for say be omo ba ban mo nye hwe na ye MPP for legacy ni omo ne ma omo ye to ho eno omo ba omo be didi ho enti ye nko ne nkotie de enti a ma sansem ni ebaaye na ewia ya kwakohwe when they walked out on the set enti ye kohwe first of all de ma akasakasa ne baaye ansa ne ahwe time Dr. George Domfeh walking out on the set ne embrace sie.
What should we do now? I'm talking to you as my children.
There may be challenges here and there, but I think so far Ato is doing well. I heard my brother talking about attribution and the way we have to be cautious about how we attribute. Sure. Look, as I believe that, look, if people did things well, they must be commended. If people did things right, they must be commended. And if we are celebrating today, and there is a reason for us to look into yesterday, to also see that, well, it did not happen only, from the moon, but it has some antecedent. It's important we do it. But the point is that to also sound like nothing that, all the things that are happening today are as a result of things that happened in the past, creates an impression that then we could have gotten here even if we were on autopilot. Governance was on autopilot, which is an unfair analysis of the situation. See, within 2-3 days or 1 week in his administration, the whole nation was faced with an imminent power shutdown. Ghana, the whole Ghana was going to be switched off. And when that was about to happen, people started blaming President Mahama, who had been just about 1 month in office, that you've come and then there's going to be doom so. But this was something that a previous regime didn't do. Okay? So we're going to blame it on him. But he stood up and said that I'm assuring you will do what we have to do to keep Ghana switched on. So my point is that if Ghana today had collapsed, if the economy had collapsed today, would we have said that it was the previous administration? Would have the current administration would have taken the blame. And so if things are going on right, and I want to say that no, there's nothing that you are doing, I don't think that it is right. As an academic, when I'm given a dossier to assess for people's promotion, I look at what is right about it, what is commendable about it, what is significant about it, and what the contributions of those dossiers would be to the scholarly, enterprise. When I do that, then I will also go on to talk about the challenges or problems, and then I will draw my conclusion. So my view is that it is unfair for us to look at our analysis from an angle of refusing to give credit when there is due, when it is, we have to give credit, and then always say, no, you have not done anything. If Ghana had been on autopilot, wouldn't have been where we are. There are things that clearly the government is doing well, and regardless of your partisan political persuasion, if it will not hurt. I mean, I think that we gain a lot of respectability and credibility when we're able to say that this is right, but this is wrong. I don't have to be MPP to say that.
I don't think I can stand here for this. I think it is too much. I have tried to remain very calm. He's attacked. I mean, when it comes to credibility, my prof is not more credible than me.
Dr. Domfeh, I say that
you made reference to me. And you are hitting me.
So, Dr. Domfeh, I think you would do the program a lot of good if you let me finish. I think you have your
to those who are viewing it and watching this. Be fair to them.
When you round up.
All right. So, Alfred, let me make the point that I think that the program, as has been run over the years, has been a program. It's been a decent platform. Okay, there were so many things that he said. In fact, I'm not really making a personal attack on you if I have to clarify.
What you're doing. That's why. Please. You don't do that to
So I am here and I'm saying that I'm not making a personal attack. No, see, please.
Do that to
okay. So, Dr. Domfeh, I do not fear if I have to attack you personally. No, I'm saying that, but I'm saying I'm not attacking your person.
I don't think.
Okay, but the point is that you see when you
respect the moderator, I beg.
So
we are academics.
I don't think you will serve
we are academics
going on this.
No, I'm just trying to make the point that when we are disagreeing with each other and we are making our points, I mean, we have to be civil enough in waiting for each other to finish. No, I'm calm. But I'm just trying to say that. So when credit is due, we must give. And when we have to criticize, we must criticize. But to always say that, no, you have not done anything. No, you cannot attribute this to... I mean, I think it's unfair. And it's important that I put it on record.
Okay. You had the opportunity to do You had the opportunity to do right fast. Did you do that? Well, like a foolish lady. You didn't prepare for the...
You get the microphone is off.
And so, I'll forgive you. I'll forgive you because maybe you don't have full understanding of the
Make your point. Make your point. If you keep saying this, you keep inviting him.
He has to withdraw that.
I challenge you that you don't understand the economy. You wouldn't be saying this.
I do.
I don't think
So let me say.
You continue. No, I'm not stopping you. You continue. You continue. Let me just say this.
Our economy has been vulnerable.
And that's the point we are making. So we brought you in to transform it. You are not getting the argument.
Thank you, man. You continue. I want you to end your point
Yeah, so my
specifically,
my point is that
I'm asking you a question. I'm asking you a question. I'm asking you a question.
Somebody
Dr. Domfeh. Dr. Domfeh.
Why you were the president? Look at what you did.
Dr. Domfeh.
Look at what
Dr. Domfeh.
You
are not listening to me. Thank you very much, gentlemen.
You are not.
Thank you. You are not listening to me. Thank you very much. We're going to go for this quick break. We are back shortly. Stay with us after this quick break. Stay with us. We'll be back shortly.
Enti way ena ekoso ewo TV3 studios program my friend the key point so and this hot year altercation ekoso ewo honoma we kana we aka me ntina ho ema won kansem fa ngumanim ase ansa na ma nsoma ba be kamedi enti ono pese obi abese won kire na adwen ewo honoma ekofa me ntime ho ase bebre e ba ewo studio honom. Now, way and no, there's some part of it because you say, baby, by say you could break about. To break in it, you move on mono, and I'm set meant was and sorry, you can see it, and also a basso. And timer na Dr. George Domfeh sorry akone ho na semno ekoba ya say omuyiyi ya eba outer ma the lawyers of Professor Gyampo omo ede ho ensem abase omo eme apologize e wo honom no enti wei ene ensem a ekoso between Professor Gyampo ene Dr. George Domfeh omo nyina omo chade o University of Ghana ba ko economist na ba ko political science lecturer e wo University of Ghana ayede omo ensem enso ede ebremu ewo ehonom ya to aso na yede ensem